Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the KnifeCenter, and today we're taking a look at the new CRKT Clever Girl folder, a fantastic tactical knife. Let's check it out. So before it was a folder, the Clever Girl was actually a fixed blade knife, and it's made the transition well to this folding form. And as part of that journey, this knife is the latest to feature CRKT's Deadbolt lock, and in my opinion, it's the best one yet. This oversized pivot is actually a push button, and it releases two bars of steel that form a U-shape with this back piece, and they interlock with the tang of the knife. It creates a confidence-inspiring feel, and there's no blade play on this knife at all. Now this is a right-hand biased lock, but it is still possible to use it with your left hand. It's just a little bit more awkward. But one of the things that we definitely appreciate about this style of lock is that it keeps your fingers out of the way of the blade when you're closing a knife. When it comes to opening this blade, you've got two methods on the Clever Girl. First, you have the flipper, which fires it out very nicely. But if you prefer more deliberate opening, it also has dual thumb studs. Now you can open that in a smooth motion, or it's easy to hook your thumb in and pop open the blade very easily. And if you want to close the blade quickly as well, you can depress that push button and flick it closed. When it comes to the blade itself, we're pleasantly surprised to find D2 tool steel here. And it has an upswept profile with a very acute hollow grind, which maintains excellent slicing capabilities. Now the Clever Girl is part of CRKT's Forged by War program, where they work with combat veterans to create new designs. With that in mind, tactical use is certainly expected and it would do a great job, but we also think it would be great for hunting applications, as well as any task that prioritizes long slicing cuts. It does have a finger choil at the heel of the blade that allows you to choke up on it, but in a regular grip, there's plenty of protection in the form of the finger guard formed by the flipper tab and the thumb ramp on the spine. The handles themselves are made from G10 slabs with very prominent diagonal ridges. There's plenty of traction here, and there's a nice full grip too. Even with my larger hands, there's plenty of room to spare. This curve at the back of the handle provides plenty of retention on the draw stroke, so even if you're muscling through something, you're not likely to lose your grip. And it's even comfortable in a reverse grip as well. When it comes to carrying this knife, we do have a nice reversible clip here on the back. Now it is a folded over design, but it's not quite deep carry. You still have a little bit of the knife sticking up to make it easier to grab onto. One of the things I appreciate is the clip doesn't feature a painted finish. It's actually more of a baked on type of finish, which is more durable in the long run. Finally, when it comes to the build quality and the feel of the construction, it feels super solid. It's not heavy, but it does have a weight that inspires confidence. And we've seen the strength of this lock in action as well. We've previously stress tested the Deadbolt equipped CRKT Shock. We took it into our backwoods and pounded on it, chopped and batoned with it, even threw it into a tree repeatedly, and the lock shrugged off all the abuse. When it comes to reasonably priced EDC tactical folders, the Clever Girl makes a great case for itself. It's got the ergonomics, the design, and the hardware to back up the good looks. If you want to get your hands on one right now, click the link in the description below to head over to KnifeCenter.com.